Widespread moderate to major flooding continues across southeast Queensland and into northeast New South Wales, and showers and thunderstorms are on the forecast from as early as this afternoon. However, tomorrow is shaping up to be a big storm day, and with grounds already saturated, this may lead to renewed river rises and also flash flooding. Major flood warnings continue across southeast Queensland for the Mary River, the Lower Logan, the Condamine, the Balonne and the Weir rivers. The Lower Brisbane River has been downgraded to a moderate warning, but high peaks with high tides remain possible for the coming days. While for northeast New South Wales, the Wilsons, Richmond and Clarence rivers remain in major flood warning, with moderate flood warnings for catchments further south. Most river levels are decreasing, however the flooding impacts are expected to continue for many days to come, and with these showers and thunderstorms on the forecast, it adds complications to the recovery efforts. For today, light showers with the chance of thunderstorms developing across the region, however, is not expected to impact river levels, but may hamper clean-up efforts. For tomorrow, increasing showers and possible severe thunderstorms with damaging to locally destructive wind gusts and heavy to locally intense rainfall and giant-sized hail are all possible. With sodden soils and wet and windy conditions, it may bring down trees and cause landslips, and if there's water across the roads, please don't try to drive through it. Showers and storms are forecast to continue on Friday and possibly over the weekend. Rainfall may impact river levels. That's highly dependent on the location and the timing of the heavier falls, so please keep an eye on the radar and stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our app, website and social media, and listen to the advice from your local emergency services. Bye for now.